In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove collaborators from Asana projects. Before we start, make sure you're signed in to your Asana account and that you have permission to manage members on the project you're working with. Typically, project owners and editors can remove people. If your account has limited access, some options may be hidden. Open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Asana and hit Enter. Click the official Asana website to open the app. If you're already logged in, you'll land in your workspace. If not, sign in and you'll be taken to your Asana home. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar. This is where your teams and projects live. Scroll through the list to find the project where you want to remove a collaborator. If you have a lot of projects, use the search at the top to quickly find it. Click the project to open it. Inside the project, look to the top right corner for the Share button. This is your access and permissions hub for the project. Click Share to open the sharing panel. You'll see a list of members who currently have access to this project. Use the search field in this panel if the list is long, or scroll to locate the person you want to remove. You can identify them by their name or the email address associated with their Asana account. Next to their name, you'll see a small arrow or options menu. Click that to reveal member actions. From the menu, select Remove from Project. As soon as you click, Asana will remove that person's access to the project. There usually isn't a confirmation step, so be sure you've selected the correct person before clicking. A few quick notes to keep in mind. Removing someone from a project does not delete the project or any tasks. It simply revokes their access to this specific project. If a task is shared with them through another project or directly, they may still see that task there. If you don't see the option to remove someone, you may not have the right permissions, or the person could be the only project owner. In that case, you'll need to adjust ownership first or contact an admin for help. If you ever remove the wrong person by mistake, you can bring them back by clicking Share again and inviting them the same way you would add any new collaborator. That's it. You've successfully removed a collaborator from an Asana project. If this was helpful, follow these same steps anytime you need to tidy up project access.